Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. So this video today, this car seller rang me about 20 minutes ago, desperate that he needs to have a key from a Saab. I don't know which Saab is, but it looks like a 9.3, a 9.5, I'm not sure. So the remote for the key is not working, and he's desperate because the customer is there ready to pick up the car. He has two keys for the car. One is working, which I can also confirm that. So as you're going to be able to see, okay, so everything is working with this key. The other key, he brought me the key already opened, saying that the key doesn't work, and I can, oops, let me put the battery back in place, and I can also confirm that this key indeed doesn't work. So I'm going to close the key. I think it's like that, yeah. And I can show you that the key indeed doesn't work. Now the key came to me already opened, and I'm going to show you why this key doesn't work. Okay, so the key doesn't work because when the battery makes contact, it makes contact on this area here, and then on the side you should have a kind of a plate here to make contact on the side of the battery, on the side of the battery. So the battery goes like this on top of this, and then it should make contact on the side for the plus side. It's not very good. So it should make contact here on the edge, on the side, for the plus side, and obviously that sort of metal thing is gone missing. So what we're gonna do, let me open the other key so I can see, because initially okay, so I see it. Okay, so let me take actually PCB out. Okay, so we're gonna have to solder something there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see what I do have around there that can actually, I'm gonna look, see if I have anything on my stuff, on my old keys, that will do the job. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have something like that, to be fair, but it's gonna see what I have here. Nothing on that one. This is going to be interesting. It's going to be really interesting. Hang on. Hang on, because I might have something here that is going to work. I mean, I had something here, I just went somewhere. Wow. Okay, so it's not going very well. Okay, surely I will come up with something, I think. Okay, so I have something here that might do the job. Let me see, compared with the other one. I'm gonna have to turn this. There we go. I think we are getting there. Now if I cut this in there, it should. That's the reason, guys, why I never chuck anything away, because believe me, you're always gonna find some use for anything that you save. Oh, spot on. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is gonna indeed do the job. So we're gonna have to scrape a little bit the lanes around here, because we're gonna have to solder on top of this and on top of this one here. Okay, it's gonna put some flux, and we should be nearly ready to go. Bit of flux in here. That's good enough. It's gonna put my new thing in there. And now we need to make sure we align this. Okay. And now we're going to try to solder this. I don't have a clue what you guys are watching on the camera. I really don't. Should have put this on the thing and I didn't. I don't know if the curve for this thing, if it's good or not. We're gonna have to try. Don't know how good it is. Oh yeah, look at this. All working. So just before I go, let me open it again so you can see exactly how it looks like. So, and make sure it's still, yeah, it's still good. So this is what we did. Let me get the light. So this is exactly what we did. Can you see what we did here? So I've cut a little bit of metal from a different type of remote. We bend it slightly and we just soldered it down. And obviously when the battery goes, the edge of the battery just sits down here. Very similar to the original one, look. Very similar to this one here, as you can see. Okay. So that's it. So let's gonna close both remotes. Okay, and now let's gonna... How is this possible? There's no battery on this? Oh, there is. And now we'll close this one. Okay, and just one last test. So the good one, you can see the RF light blinking. And now the one we just repaired, which actually looks like a aftermarket one, but there we go. All working. Job done. One more happy customer. So the guy is out there waiting for me. And I'm just gonna take them the key back. It was a 10-minute job. Nothing special, I know. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, any suggestions, just put them below. And don't forget my Patreon. And like always, thank you for watching.